Considering Kajabi as your online course platform? Well, this in-depth review will cover everything that you need to know. Features, pricing, and whether it's still worth it in 2025. So let's dive straight in and find out if Kajabi is the right fit for you. But before we get started, I do have a special offer for you. So usually Kajabi offers a 14-day free trial, but if you sign up through my link in the description below, you're going to get a 30-day free trial instead. On top of that, you'll receive my Kajabi Jumpstart course and premium Notion templates that are worth over $900, and you're going to get all of that for free. So don't forget to check the link in the description and claim your bonuses today. Now let's dive into the video. First things first, what exactly is Kajabi? Now, if you're new to the world of online courses or digital products, you might not be totally familiar with this platform. So let me break it down for you. Kajabi is an all-in-one platform that allows you to create and sell digital products such as online courses, memberships, webinars, and more. It also provides you with all of the tools and resources necessary to market and deliver your products. Now, this means that you can manage your entire online business in one place. All right, now that we've covered what Kajabi is, let's dig into its core features. So the features really matter because this is how you'll know if Kajabi is the right fit for you. So first up, we have course creation. Kajabi is known for being a standout when it comes to online courses. The interface is super clean and user-friendly, so even if you've never created an online course before, you'll find it easy to use. Courses can be divided up into modules and lessons, and you can upload various types of content like videos, audio files, PDFs, and even drip content over time to your students. Plus, Kajabi offers built-in assessments and quizzes to help you track your students' progress and engagement with your course. Next, let's discuss Website Builder. Kajabi also provides a drag-and-drop website builder that allows you to create a professional-looking website for your online business without any coding skills. It has various customizable templates to choose from, and you can add different sections like sales pages, blog posts, opt-in forms, and more. Another great feature is the email marketing tool. With Kajabi, you can create automated email sequences to nurture your leads or communicate with your students. It also offers advanced segmentation options to target specific audiences with personalized messages. And you can even create email marketing campaigns directly from your phone with their mobile app. Speaking of marketing, we can't forget funnels. Kajabi offers something they call pipelines. Now, these are pre-built sales funnels that guide your potential customers through the buying process. So you can choose from a variety of funnels such as product launches, webinars, and more. Plus, you can customize them to fit your specific needs. Now on to membership sites. So if you're someone who wants to build a community and make recurring income, you'll love this. Kajabi lets you create and manage memberships so that you can charge a monthly or annual fee for access to exclusive content. It's like having your own Netflix channel, but for your niche. Next, we have analytics and CRM. Kajabi isn't just about creating and hosting, it's also packed with data tools. You'll get insights on how your courses are performing, who's opening your emails, which landing pages are converting, and so on and so forth. If you're serious about growth, having all of this data in one spot is pretty valuable. And lastly, let's talk about payments and integrations. Kajabi allows you to easily accept payments through various methods such as credit cards, PayPal, Stripe, and Apple Pay. It also integrates with other tools like Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, and Zapier for advanced analytics and automation. So if you already use certain tools to run your business, you can easily connect them to Kajabi. Now let's get into the pricing. Kajabi offers 4 different plans: the Kickstarter plan, Basic plan, Growth plan, and Pro plan. So the Kickstarter plan costs $69 a month and is perfect if you're just starting out. You're going to get 50 pages for your content. You can send 1,250 emails to promote your stuff and sell one main product. You can keep up to 250 customer contacts and run one website. The best part is that there is no extra fees on your sales. Moving up to the basic plan at $149 a month, you get a lot more room to grow. So you can create as many pages as you want and send unlimited emails. You can now sell 3 products instead of just one and work with up to 10,000 customers. You still get one website and, like before, no extra fees when you make sales. Next, we have the Growth plan, which is our most popular one. It costs $199 per month and it's great when you're ready to get serious. You get everything unlimited like before, plus you can sell up to 15 products and handle 25,000 contacts. You keep your one website, and yep, still no extra fees on sales. For the big players, there's the Pro plan at $399 a month. Now, this is the full package. You can sell up to 100 products, handle 100,000 customers, and run 3 different websites. You get all of the unlimited features from before, and of course, no extra fees on your sales. It's built for businesses that are already doing well and need more power. This brings us to the big question: who is Kajabi really for? Should everyone rush in and start spending $69 a month? Probably not. Here's my honest answer. Kajabi is perfect if you're someone serious about monetizing your knowledge or passion and willing to put in the work to grow a digital business. If you're already creating courses, managing memberships, or selling coaching services, and you find yourself using 5 or 6 tools to do everything, then Kajabi can simplify your life and make running your business way more efficient. On the other hand, if you're just starting out and you don't have a clear plan or audience yet, Kajabi might feel like overkill. Spending that much monthly on software when you're not generating income can be stressful. For beginners, there are free or lower cost options that work as stepping stones until you're ready to scale. Kajabi is also amazing for those who value polish and professionalism. The templates, email tools, and all the analytics make it easy to present yourself like a pro, even if you're just starting out. And for some, that's pretty important. So, should you use Kajabi? Well, it really depends on your goals and where you are in your business journey. But if you're ready to take things to the next level and you want a platform that can support your growth, then go for it. You won't regret it. And that's it for this video. I hope that you found this Kajabi review helpful. If you want to sign up for Kajabi, there's my link in the description below. If you sign up for Kajabi using my link, you're going to get an extended 30-day free trial instead of the regular 14 days. Plus, you're going to get access to my Kajabi Jumpstart course and premium Notion templates worth over $900 for free. So make sure to use my link in the description to get started with Kajabi today. If you have any questions, be sure to drop them in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.